Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's quick guide, we're tackling a common issue, YouTube error 153, video player configuration error. If you've been dealing with this pesky error while trying to watch or upload videos, don't worry, I've got a simple solution for you. Let's get started. First things first, open up your browser. Once you're in, head over to the top right corner and click on the three dots. That's your menu. From there, select settings. Now inside your settings, look for privacy and security on the left sidebar. Once you're there, find cookies and other site data and click on it. Then go to see all site data and permissions. In the search bar that appears, type in YouTube. You should see a list of saved data. Go ahead and clear YouTube's cache and cookies. This step can often fix the error by getting rid of outdated data. Next, let's check your browser extensions. Scroll down to find extensions and click on it. Disable your extensions one by one. Some extensions can mess with YouTube, and turning them off will help narrow down the cost. After disabling the extensions, reload YouTube to see if the error is gone. If you're still seeing error 153, try opening YouTube in a different browser. This often does the trick. And that's it. By clearing cache, checking extensions, and switching browsers, you should be able to fix that annoying YouTube error 153 in no time. And remember, if this video helped you fix something or saved you from wasting money, here's an easy way to support the channel. You'll find an Amazon link in the description. Bookmark it and use it whenever you shop. Whether you're buying tech or everyday essentials, a small portion of what you already spend helps support the work here at no extra cost to you. And trust me, Amazon won't even notice. If you want to support directly, you can also buy me a coffee or check out the phone accessories store link below. Totally optional. That's it. Thanks for the support. Stay sharp and I'll see you in the next video.